in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Sige, lagi ko. Ha?
Is for
Mag-unang. Ano ni? Tamis kay smile, oh. Basta ka ron, ha? Messenger na ko.
that by the Honorable City Mayor.
Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of God. Dear Lord, thank you for the gift of a new day. I offer this day to you. May everything I do today be done with love and for your glory. Guide our thoughts, words, and actions. Help me to be the source of kindness and encouragement to others. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins, as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
The panunumpa sa Watawat ng Pilipinas and panunumpa ng Lingkod Bayan will be led by Ms. Mary Ann Alicaya.
Panunumpa sa Watawat ng Pilipinas. Ako ay Pilipino, taos-pusong nanunumpa sa Watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag, na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sambayanang makadiyos, makakalikasan, makatao at makabansa. Panunumpa ng Lingkod Bayan. Ako ay isang lingkod bayan. Pangangalagaan ko ang tiwalang ipinagkaloob ng mamamayan. Maglilingkod ako ng may malasakit, katapatan at kahusayan na walang kinikilingan. Magiging mabuting halimbawa ako at magbibigay ng pag-asa at inspirasyon sa aking kapwa lingkod bayan. Lilinangin ko ang aking sariling kakayahan upang sa lahat ng panahon ay mapaglingkuran ko ng buong kahusayan ang sambayanan. Hindi ako makikibahagi sa mga katiwalian sa pamahalaan. Pipigilan at isisiwalat ko ito sa pamamagitan ng tama at angkop na pamamaraan. Isasabuhay ko ang isang lingkod bayang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. Tutugon ako sa mga hamon na makabagong panahon tungo sa adhikain ng matatag, maginhawa at panatag na buhay. Sa mga tungkulin at hangaring ito, kasiyahan nawa ko ng may kapal.
Panata sa Bagong Pilipinas. Bilang Pilipino, buong pagmamalaki kong isa sa buhay ang Bagong Pilipinas. Buhay sa aking dugo ang lahing dakila, magiting at may dangal. Palaging dadalhin sa puso, isip at diwa ang aking pagmamahal sa kultura at bayang sinilangan. Kaisa ng bawat mamamayan, iaalay ko ang aking talino at kasanayan sa pagpapaunlad ng aking bayan. Taglay ang galing na naaayon sa mga pandaigdigang pamantayan. Magiging instrumento ako sa pagsulong ng kagalingan, karunungan at kapayapaan. Makikiisa at makikilahok ako sa mga adhikain ng pamahalaan dahil ang kaunlaran ay hindi lamang responsibilidad ng iilan. Isusulong at pangangalagaan ko ang karangalan, kalayaan at interes ng aking bayang minamahal. Bilang Pilipino na may pagmamahal, pakialam at malasakit, hindi makasarili kundi para sa mas nakakarami, tatahakin ko ang landas tungo sa Bagong Pilipinas.
Panahon na ang pagbabago, dahil sa'yo mo'y kinakailangan. Tayo na magtulong-tulong, kapaunlarin ang mahal na
Panahon na ng pagbabago, dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan. Tayo na magtulong-tulong, kapaunlarin ang mahal nating bayan.
panahon na ng pagbabago, ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat na maging tungkulin ng bawat mamamayan dito sa atin.
Ng pagbabago patungo sa pag-asenso, magsikap ng mabuti at ng kuminhawa tayo. Ang malaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas. Kagandahan at talento, makipagpaligsahan kahit anong oras. Bagong Pilipino, bagong Pilipinas. Pagbabago, ay natin ay gawing maaliwanan. Dami yan, magandang bukas. Subukan ng bagong Pilipinas. Panahon na.
Una, ako ang pagtahod sa ako ang mga kauban sa City Council led by our still very active Vice Mayor Simplicia Bibineri atong pagpakan. Ito ang mga kauban nga department heads diri sa LGU of Osami City. Dili na lang tamo tagsa-tagsaan, but please let us give a collective round of applause for our department heads, as well as the heads and our partners sa mga national agencies nga naa diri karon, no, ay CR newly installed BFP chief diri sa city, no, si Sir Carmelito Junela, sir. Morning. Ang ato ang Ozami City Police Station head by Police Major Dennis Tano. And sa tanang mga kauban nato diri karon, no, mga empleyado sa City Hall, once again, mayong buntag sa tuang tanan. I'm sure kadaghanan sa inyuha, if dili tanan, excited na kaayo para sa ato ang mga umaabot nga activities karong Hulyo. Tinuod dili? As you can see, makita ninyo na ipipila ka tarps and daghan na tag mga promotional postings, no, para sa ato ang mga fiesta activities, no. We will start karong Sabado sa ato ang pinakauna nga, I think it's a regional wide taekwondo tournament, no, which will be we're expecting delegates from the different local LGUs from Region 10 from Northern Mindanao, no. But this weekend we will also be having our first dry goods thrift shop dito sa 50th district, no, while ongoing ang ato ang night market, no, and cafes dito sa Wellness Park. This July they will be operating for the entire week sa ato ang Fiesta Week. So sugod karong July 6, I believe, dire-diretso na sila, July 5 rather, until July 16, no. And in between, padayon ang ato ang mga activities, no. Sa July 8, we will be having our now traditional kasalan sa fiesta, which we will be wedding an additional, as of now, 180 couples, no. Sa July 9 and 10, if I'm not mistaken, we will be having our second Governor Henry S. Waminal Chess Tournament, which is a tournament that is national in scope, and we will be graced once again by ang Asia's first, no, dili lang Philippines first, but Asia's first Grandmaster, no, si Grandmaster Eugene Torre, no. That will run from July 9 to 10, no. On July 13, we will be having July 14, we will be having our first Ascenso Osamis Half Marathon, no, which has generated a lot of interest from running groups, dili lang diri sa Mindanao, but also in the country, no. And igo-igo, while na sila diri, they will also have the chance, kaning mga bisita nato nga runners, to enjoy ang ato ang a sector of our provincial Perangat Festival, ang ato ang Perangat Ozamis Festival, wherein the winner will be representing the city sa ato ang provincial competition karong umaabot nga November. And on the same day sa 14 also, we will have ang ato ang Miss Ascenso Osamis, no, which part of the activity we will be holding today, no. And on July 15 and 16, we will be having back-to-back free concerts with nationally renowned bands visiting us, and we will be expecting, of course, not just Ozamis Nons to join us then, but also ang ato ang friends and mga bisita from other localities, no. So those are just a few of the activities that we have lined up sa ako alang mahinumduman karon, no. And as you will realize, kaning mga activities nato, it will really bring a lot of guests and visitors diri sa atuang syudad. So I invite everyone also nga kung kani ato ang mga bisita maka-enjoy kamo nga mga pamilya pud yun nato diri sa local government of Osamis. You take part in the festivities, you join, you watch the presentations. So we will also be having two competitions, inter-school competitions. Di ay sa sa July 8 and 9, no, first oratorial competition and inter-school singing competition, no. Daghag makita, daghag masuruyan, muna nag-expect ang daghag mga bisita. And while I call on all members of the LGU family to take part and enjoy also the activities and festivities that we will have karong fiesta, no, I also want to remind everyone and to point out to everyone no nga the success of our activities no will not rest solely on the hands of ang ato ang tourism office or ang committees handling them. No, dili lang nato ipaubaya tanan kang Ma'am Nessie or kang Sir Jaime and the respective heads of the programs that we will be having. No, because as we mentioned, daghan tag mga bisita ani. They will be seeing Ozamis City for what it is now and how much it has changed. So it's a very good opportunity to show them nga tinuod nag-asenso na yun ug gapadayon ug asenso ang ato ang syudad. And for our programs to be really successful, it's quite important also for our guests and visitors to appreciate the city and to enjoy the time that they will be having here. And for that to be possible, we need all members of the LGU family and all Ozamis Nons, rather, to show our guests and visitors the hospitality and the courteousness that we Ozamis Nons can give to them. Kay bisan pa man mag-enjoy sila sa mga programs and events nato, it will only take one bad experience sa ilaha nga murag matarayan lang sila usa ka Ozamis non samot na kung ang magtaray-taray sa ilaha empleyado sa LGU to ruin their entire visit. So we want our guests to have a good time as much as we want all members of the LGU family to have a good time. So let us strive to give it to them. Let us strive to give the best experience that we can give to all those who will wish to enjoy and partake sa atuang fiesta activities. And igo-igo pud kaayo karong adlaw pag-andam na pud sa atuang fiesta celebration, we will be introducing ang atuang candidates for the Miss Ascenso Ozamis competition. And kaning mga beauty pageant they are a source of inspiration. So may we be inspired by the candidates today. Nga bisan pa magdili ta mga beauty queen, bisag dili ta pareha kataas or kagwapa sa ilaha, kaya gihapon nato mo welcome and mo inspire sa tanan nga makabisita, tanan nga mo partake sa ato ang mga fiesta activities. So let's also give a big round of applause to everyone who made ang ato ang activity today possible. Ang ato ang organizers sa different events and also the candidates that we will be welcoming now, because beauty takes a lot of effort. Kabalo ko kani sila kapila na ni sila ga practice. They already went through different levels of screening sa ilahang barangay and citywide, and paguman sa screening naapagyud sila dungag pagyud nga practice. So let us appreciate all the effort that they have put into, and I'm sure we will really enjoy not just the program today but all the activities that we have been lined up. So once again, mayong buntag sa tanan, and may we have a fruitful week, may we have a fruitful fiesta month ahead. Thank you, and good morning once again to all.
Thank you very much, Mayor Indy Waminaw. So as announced by Mayor Indy, we have a lot to look forward to and get excited sa ato ang celebrations sa 76th City Charter Anniversary of Ozamis. You are all in for a wonderful sight this morning, I tell you. I guess ang pila ninyo nakakita na nila in the City Hall lobby. So dili na nato langanon. We will now be having the presentation of the 15 lovely finalists of the Miss Ascenso Ozamis 2024. And now, our pageant host and my good friend, Mr. Federico Araniego!
Thank you very much. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to our communication officer of Ozamis City, Ma'am Daciel Dixon. To present our candidates for Miss Ascenso Ozamis 2024, please welcome the Chair of the Committee on Tourism, our City Councilor, Honorable Roland Dicus Rizzo Jr.
In line with our 76th charter anniversary of the city of Ozamis, under the leadership of our energetic and hardworking Mayor, Henry F. Wominal Jr., out of the 51 barangays and candidates participating, I would like to introduce to you our top 15 vying for Miss Ascenso Ozamis Tourism 2024. A round of applause, please.